Oh, wait.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, everyone. My name is Bryan Vuong, and I am the CTO and co-founder of Innosearch AI. So today I'm going to talk about our product. We are an accessible digital platform designed specifically for the blind and low vision users. We are available at Innosearch AI. It is INNOSEARCH.ai. So as you know, there are about like 300 million people in the world and 7 million in the US who have vision loss or blindness. And the numbers are growing very quickly. And when it comes to using the computer and the internet, without the hand-eye coordination, the users must rely on the supporting devices like screen readers, magnifiers, braille refreshers, or keyboard navigation in order to use the internet and to access to the key services on the internet like shopping, flight booking, etc. And it has been a big pain in the blind and low vision users when it comes to digital accessibility. Because based on a recent survey, 98% of the websites don't meet the accessibility standards. So among them, then 91% of our users reporting problems when booking travel, 86% reporting issues when doing online purchases, and 90% having problems when applying for jobs. And that's why we build Innosearch AI. So Innosearch AI, in a nutshell, we are an accessible digital service, a platform that is empowering the blind and low vision users and to help people to access to the key digital services on the internet, like e-commerce, flight booking, hotel reservation, restaurant menus, food and grocery delivery, and ride hailing. So we are not, I would say, not a seller when it comes to, let's say, e-commerce, but we are an intermediate layer to bring all those services in a very simple and accessible format to the users. So we design Innosearch based on the three guiding principles. First, it is simplicity. So our philosophy is simplicity is the best accessibility. So if you have used Amazon, you may notice that there's a lot of things that Amazon show on their website, like ads, like upsells, like a lot of videos, images, and the page is very cluttered. And that makes the accessibility very bad. So what we have done is we design Innosearch AI in a very basic and very simple way. Only the key information are shown on Innosearch. That makes the journey of the users a lot easier. Second, we put a lot of emphasis on accessibility. So everything on Innosearch are optimized for accessibility. So we have all the alt text, we have all the headings, all the navigations that are designed for screen readers. We are compatible with JAWS, NVDA, VoiceOver, and all the key screen reader software. And finally, we put a strong emphasis on the community. So we build our platform for the community, and we stay very connected with our users, and we keep listening to the user feedback, and we have the community event for our users. So let's come to the first product that we have on Innosearch. It is online shopping. So we are now available in the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia. And what we do is we use AI to aggregate all the products on the internet from different retailers and to simplify them and to show them in a very simple and accessible format on the Innosearch website. We design an AI on the website so that the user can chat with the AI to learn more about the products, to quickly grab the information across the internet to get a better understanding of the product to make them a very informed purchase decision. And on Innosearch, we have billion of products from 500,000 plus stores, and everything in a very simple, very accessible format. No ads, no clutter. just to the key information and very screen reader friendly. Another way to think about Innosearch shopping is that it is a comparison shopping website because we pull the product information from all different retailers, all different sellers. So you can find the same product across multiple sellers, and you can easily compare and contrast and pick the one that is the best for you. Not only on the web, we also have the phone line for shopping. It is 1855 shop GPT, or it is 1-855-746-7478. So you don't need to have the access to the internet or to have the computer. You just pick up your phone, call this number, and there's an AI agent that we built on the other side to talk to you in very natural language fashion. And you also have the opportunity to explore billion of products on the phone line. You can ask the AI to describe certain products for you, adding the items to cart, and eventually to make the payment and check out on the phone. And the shipping will be done in the background, and you will receive the items in the next few days. And like I said, Innosearch, we are not a seller, but instead we are an accessible layer on top of existing services. So we have all the items from like Walmart, Home Depot, Target, every store that you name it. And when an order is placed on Innosearch, then we translate that order into the actual order with the retailer, and the retailer will ship the order to the users. That's how it works. We also have flight booking on Innosearch that is available worldwide. So any flight that you can find that on Innosearch. And the key difference is also about accessibility. So everything for flight booking has been made very simple, very to the key information. When the user goes to Innosearch, they can quickly find the flights that they would like to book and quickly provide the information to finish the booking on Innosearch. And because we are designed for the blind low vision community, so we have tailored uh, the website to take care of all the special needs, whether you need to add a guide dog or you need some support at the airport or anything, you can easily specify on the website. And we also have our customer service team uh, always up 24/7 to answer any questions, any requests, anything that the user would like to do about the booking. And finally, we have a strong community focus. So we have the regular game nights that play quickly. So we would like to invite like all of you to come and play with us. We play trivia, escape room, and you can also win prizes to shop on Innosearch. And we also constantly listening to feedback. So if you would like to tell us how you feel about Innosearch, you would like to suggest certain new features, you would like to become like beta tester on Innosearch, then please send it an email. And what we are looking for from this demo is actually partnerships. We have created a lot of partnerships with different non-profit organizations and also some influencers, and we would like to get even more partnerships so that we can spread the word to the community, so that we can bring more users and to help the blind low vision users to shop on Innosearch quickly and in a very accessible way. So that is about the presentation on Innosearch. In the next few minutes, I will do like a quick demo of the website. So it is at Innosearch, INNOSEARCH.ai. So when you go to the website, there's a search bar that you can quickly search for any products. Let's say I can search for headphones, and then the search result will come back within sort of few seconds, and you see all the products from different retailers on the internet in a very simple and accessible format, and very accessible. and you can compare different products from different retailers. There's a filter result on the top that you can type in certain retailer or certain keywords that you would like to drill down quickly, and then you can go to the each product page to see the detail of the product. For example, I'm looking at a headphone from Walmart over here, and there's a chatbot at the bottom that you can ask it to describe the product, even describe the images of the product. And once you're happy with the product, you can simply add it to cart, just like in a regular e-commerce platform, and then proceed to checkout. And you make the payment directly on Innosearch. And we will work with the retailer to fulfill the order and ship the product to you. And for flight booking, it works in a very similar manner, but I'm not going to demo it today. And for new users, we actually have $5 off your first purchase via the coupon of 5. It is OFF5. So thank you very much. That is about the demo about Innosearch.
That's awesome, Bryan. Thank you so much. I want to point out something. There was a question that came up, and I just want to highlight it. Somebody said, my agency works with elderly clients as well as school-age kids. I think this would be great for older clients who are visually impaired and intimidated by using the internet. But I would go a step further, Bryan, and just suggest that it is not only for folks who are visually impaired, but for folks who really need that organization that you've created in the accessibility for easier reading and easier access for folks who may have a cognitive impairment or other disabilities. And so I think that the search tool goes beyond just vision impairment, but I understand that you're really about the accessibility for folks who are blind and visually impaired. So thank you so much for that. Let me turn this off for a second and get our timer off so it doesn't do all the ringing noises. But there's I guess you guys are plugging in answers. I think there'll be more questions as you go. So thanks so much, Bryan. We really appreciate it.